Hey, what's going on? This is MinisterGold. I stream every day on Twitch. I play a couple hours of Kaizo, then an hour of Variety, and I use MixItUp every day, and I love making things with MixItUp. Please like if you like the videos that I make, and please subscribe if you want to see more MixItUp tutorials. And please leave any questions or comments in the in the comment section if you have anything specific that you want to see made that you haven't seen already. Okay, so we're going to talk about how to set up channel rewards without being an affiliate. Why would you not be an affiliate? You would not be an affiliate because you just haven't reached that status yet, the metrics that are required to become an affiliate on Twitch. Or you're thinking of leaving affiliate so that you can multi-stream, stream on multiple platforms. Because if you multi-stream while an affiliate on Twitch or a partner on Twitch, you can have your affiliate status revoked and never returned. Whereas if you offboard with Twitch and they process it, then you can still come back as an affiliate as long as you still meet their metrics. Okay, so yeah, let's talk about setting up channel points and requiring commands to use those channel points without actually being an affiliate. So first we'll click on the menu in the top left, click on currency right here below users. And then when you click on add currency, you can set up everything over here, how much they accrue over a certain amount of time, how much they accrue as subs when they follow, they host, they subscribe, and then just save it, and then it'll automatically create commands related to your currency that you're making. And here's an example. So my currency is nuggies. Every 15 minutes, they get 50 nuggies because that's basically how much they make on Twitch with channel points every 15 minutes if they're not subscribing. And then I have something for when they're subscribing over here, 60, 400 for following, 100 on hosting, and 500 on subscribing. And then let's say you're moving them to a new system. If you click on retroactively give points, it'll take the time that MixItUp has them registered for as far as how much time they've spent in your chat, and then it gives them points according to your system. So that way when they move to your new currency system, they're not coming up with nothing. They have the points that you're giving them because of how long they've stayed with you or been in your chat. So yeah, just save that and then you'll have your currency. Okay, now let's go to commands. Actually, before we go to commands, let's go to users. When you do testing, type in your username and give yourself some of your currency so that you have enough to play with. For today, we're just going to set it up to 1,000. And you can set this up to whatever you want for whoever you want. Just hit X and it'll save. Okay, let's go to commands. I made a GG command. Let's take a look at that. Okay, click on the $ here, and I've set it to require 100 nuggies to be used. We're not going to talk about the command itself. That's not the purpose of this video. It's just to show you how to set up the currency and use it for your commands. So the name of my currency is nuggies. So if I type it in, it'll tell me how many nuggies I have. If another user uses this command, it'll tell them how much they have. So there it says I have 1,000 nuggies as expected, and I'll use GG and it'll cost me 100 nuggies.
Don't interrupt. I'm on a roll.
Okay, so nuggies 900, and once I reach less than 100, then it won't allow me to use this command. So let's actually test that right now. We'll go to users, and I'll make it like 99. Let's see. Users 99. Okay, let's again double check my nuggies. 99. Let's use GG. Doesn't let me use it because I'm below the required amount. So that's basically what channel points, channel rewards are on Twitch, is you have a certain amount of currency and you're using it to use some command. So that's an example of how to set that up. And there's one more thing I want to go over, which is if you're using Restream, for example, Restream.io to multi-stream. Um, Restream has a mode called Relay Mode where whatever Twitch says goes to YouTube's chat, for example, and whatever someone on YouTube says is relayed to Twitch chat. Except it'll say like in brackets after the name of the bot, it'll say like YouTube and then the name of the user said and then whatever they said. So if it says, for example, like YouTube, some user said GG, this is not going to work. And actually, I'll give myself some nuggies real quick. So let's go back up to 1,000. Okay, so right now if you're using Restream and you do this, this is not going to work. Okay, didn't work for me either, and as expected. So now if you want users from another platform to be able to use your commands, you can actually go back to commands here. Let's go back to the GG. Make this a wildcard, and now put exclamation point here, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, users from both Twitch and YouTube can use that same command. So I'll go. Let's put in the same text.
Isn't this nice?
So yeah, now users from both platforms can use that command, and that can be pretty powerful because, as far as I know, there aren't bots as robust as MixItUp for YouTube. So this can give you a lot more like interactivity for YouTube. As far as I know, anyway. If anyone knows of a bot as good as MixItUp for YouTube, please let me know. I'd be curious. Let's see. That is pretty much it. I guess there's one more thing I want to go over, which is if your command takes arguments, takes more than one argument. So let's say like TTS, for example. The one thing you want to know about TTS is when you're supplying the message, you'll want to use all args instead of $message. Because if you use $message, it gives you everything before and after the command, but you only want everything after the command. Okay? So if I go all args, text-to-speech was not working earlier, might not work now, but it will give us the pirate speech or the pirate text. So right now if I go, let's see, first of all, let me make that a wildcard again. We're going to pretend that somebody from YouTube is using this command. It has a wildcard. Okay, awesome. Okay, so then some YouTube user, and then an exclamation point TTP. Hey, I'm some random YouTube user using a command that is in MixItUp. Okay, so like I said, the text-to-speech was not working, but you see how I'm only getting ahoy is the hey part. So let's go back up over here. Yeah, so then the message starts right here. If I used a $message, I'd get everything before too, and we don't want that. Okay, so just something to consider with that if you plan on using commands with Restream. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That is how to set up channel rewards without being an affiliate, and that is how to keep multiple platforms in mind if you want them to be able to use your commands as well. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please give me a like and subscribe for more MixItUp tutorials. If you want me to work on anything else, please leave a message or a question in the comments. Thanks for your time. Happy streaming and take it easy. Adios.